Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to show you that how to export or save high resolution images in Photoshop. So let's start the video. Before starting, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. First of all, open Photoshop and import the image. As you can see this image is in high resolution. I want to save this image in the high resolution. So first I want to crop the image. I think this one is perfect. Now sometimes you do that, you press Ctrl Shift S or Ctrl S to save the image. But now go to File, select Export, then select Save for Web. Make sure that you select Save for Web. It will open a new window in front of you. Now not select Optimized, go to Original. Now click here, select PNG 24. Make sure that you select the PNG 24 and check the transparency and select Internet Standard RGB. Copyright and content info, percent 100. It is very important to save high resolution images to make its percent 100. Image size, it depends on your image. Quality by cubic sharpener. Now select save. It will take a time, but don't worry about it. It will save a high resolution image. Desktop. As you can see the image is saved in a high resolution. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos.